everyone and welcome to Aries Zyke. I wish my viewers, my family and my friends a very happy and joyous Eid. Yes, you got it right. Today we are making sheer khurma. For that I have taken 2 tablespoons of roasted vermicelli, some khoya or mawa that I have crushed, 2 tablespoons of raisins, kishmish, 1 tablespoon each of pistachio, almond and cashew, and I have coarsely crushed it. 4 to 5 dry dates, also called kharak, that I have coarsely crushed. Half teaspoon of cardamom powder and 10 to 12 saffron strands for aroma and flavor. And finally, to garnish, I have sliced some almonds, pistachios and some rose petals. Alright, so let's begin. I'll take a pan, turn the heat on and take 1 liter of milk. I'll bring this milk to a boil and boil it until it gets thickened. Later in the video I'll show you the consistency as well. So while boiling the milk, make sure to keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. So our milk is boiling now. It's time to add some sugar. I'm adding 1. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar as per your taste. You can also add white sugar. I'm adding brown sugar. Okay, after boiling for 10 minutes, it's time to add the crushed khoya. So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of it. There are a lot of recipes and variations for sheer khurma that you will find on YouTube. The recipe that I'm making is I have learned from my mom, and this is how we make at our home. This milk on a different burner to boil and add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee. So now the ghee is heated. I will add all our crushed dry fruits and saute it for a minute. I'm not adding vermicelli since it's already roasted, but if you are not using a roasted vermicelli, you need to roast the vermicelli as well. But roasted vermicelli is easily available in your local grocery stores. So after roasting our dry fruits for a minute, I'll add the raisins, the kishmish, and roast it for 10-20 seconds. Okay, now it's time to add our milk. So the milk that we boiled was around 30 minutes on low to medium flame. Now we will boil this milk for another 10-15 minutes, bring it to some thick consistency. And while it's boiling, we'll add our vermicelli. Sheer khurma is almost ready, and see the thick consistency of it. The vermicelli is also now soft and cooked. Now it's time to add the cardamom powder and the saffron strands and switch off the flame. So just garnish it with some sliced almonds, some pistachio, rose petals. So the sheer khurma is ready. This can be either served hot or cold. So what are you waiting for? Let's get going and prepare it and enjoy the lovely dish. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more great recipes going forward. Thank you. Bye-bye.